Hey guys, this is Miss Rossum. We are on Thursday, March 26th. I hope that you guys are all staying safe and healthy. If you saw my email last night, it was kind of just a check-in, and it gave you this list of assignments. These are all on Edmodo. They're all linked here. If you have not turned something in, and by that I mean send me a picture of something or um, turned it in like a typed format, then please do so. I'm checking them off as we go along, trying to keep up with who's turned in stuff and who has not, just to, make sure that we're following along. Speaking of, our To Kill a Mockingbird test is on Monday. So if you have not been following along and you haven't read the end of the book, now is the time to get caught up. So let's look at our post for today. It says, I hope that you are staying safe and healthy, and I do. That's our first priority, guys. If there's something that you need, I'm completely flexible on all of this stuff. Your health is our number one priority. So I hope that you're staying safe and healthy. Here's the link to look up where anyone can pick up food from 10 through 12 during the day. Share it with whoever needs it, okay? Send me your work daily through email. Here's my email. Or a remind picture, or send it at Google Voice. Here's the number. Make sure when you guys send me Google Voice messages that you send me the name, because a couple of you haven't been doing that, so I'm going to have to double check with you today. If you haven't joined my remind, here's the code. You need to send your work daily. Alright, so tomorrow, Friday, we will have another Zoom opportunity for To Kill a Mockingbird. I'm going to be going over a lot of stuff during that Zoom meeting. We're going to review a ton, so it's definitely going to be worth your while to join us tomorrow. But today, you'll read independently for 10 minutes and fill out your reading log. Guys, when we finish with this reading log, I will ask for you to turn a picture in. So make sure that you're keeping up so that you won't have to do 10 of them on one day. And then number 2, you're going to be doing your To Kill a Mockingbird learning stations. This is what you're filling out is linked or is part of the packet that I gave you the Friday that we left. It looks like this. Okay, and we're really only going to do station 1 and then station 2. Okay, you're really doing station 1 and station 2. So the first one's a timeline of events. Number them and put them in order. You will use this link to get the events, and you will number them and put them in order. So what you'll do is say, Atticus is not frightened by Bob's threat. Say that's number 1. Hint, hint, it is not. You'll go here and you'll put it for number 1. Okay? And then the second thing, sorry guys, that's my coffee maker. Then station 2, your character map, it looks like this. You will fill in the character map, write 1 or 2 sentences about each character listed. Okay? That's all you're doing today. We've had a couple of pretty light days in a row here, so this should give you plenty of opportunity to catch up, ask questions. I'm here. The best way to reach me is the Google Voice or email. The Edmodo messaging has been kind of, sometimes it sends me notifications, sometimes it doesn't. So Google Voice, email is probably the best way to reach me. Let me know what questions you guys have, okay? Stay safe. Stay home. Alright, I will see you guys tomorrow during our Zoom meeting.